So a while ago now, I built a tabletop arcade cabinet using a Raspberry Pi Zero running Retropie, and through playing it lots and moving house, it's looking a bit shabby, so it's time that we did it up. Okay, so first port of call was to strip it all down, which I built it like a tank basically, and it's quite difficult to take apart. I don't think I ever intended it to be taken apart, but one thing I am glad of, as you can probably see from the video, is that the controllers are the wrong way round, so the joystick is on the right and the buttons are put on the left, and I have no idea why I did that, and I only realised after it was all fully assembled the first time round. The link to the initial build is in the description, by the way. I'm a believer in just making good use of what I have lying around, so we're giving it a quick undercoat of paint. Don't know what it is. I think it was from an old dining room paint job that we did a few months back. Looks all right. Just to when we come to spray it, it just brings out the colours a bit more. Also hides some of the bumps and grooves and all the dents that it's acquired over the last year or so. So here it is, all nicely white, and now finding what I can lying around, I found red and black spray paint, which I got to work on it. It comes out really good actually when we put it all together, and the controllers are the right way round. It actually doesn't look that bad. So all that's left to do is basically fit it to the stand, which is just a set of cupboards on their side, which, by the way, are the exact same width as the tabletop cabinet, as you can see. I couldn't have planned it better if I tried. One thing I did realise, because the controls are now the correct way, with the joystick on the left, all the controls are inverted, so you have to go into Retropie and reconfigure it, and that's a real headache. But yeah, it's looking not too shabby now, so I'm breathing a new lease of life into my old cabinet.